What's up, KPNation? It's your girl, TheRealKreShai, and I'm back with another vlog. As y'all can see, we are doing a health vlog today. Look, your girl actually really did lose some weight, though, okay? So, don't talk about your mama, okay? But, it is now, let's see what time it is. It is currently 9:44 in the morning, and I couldn't sleep, so I decided I'm finna get up and walk to the store. I do actually need something from the store, so I'm basically finna get up and walk to the store and get it. And I decided to just wrap myself up. I have on my Scope Touch as well as these two, and it's just gonna keep me sucked in tight. I got on my little workout bra. And y'all got these shoes from TikTok that I needed some shoes to work out in. Even though these shoes are kind of too big. But whatever. So, y'all finna come with me on my morning walk. Y'all, it's hot already. That's why I wrapped my head up. I'm about to walk to the HEB right by my apartment. And I realized that Bae got my driver's license and what I need. I might need my driver's license for it. So let's just hope I'm not walking up here for nothing. But I am about to start this walk. I got my front camera so y'all can see the process. So let's get to walking. Good morning. Okay, so y'all, this camera is attached to my little bra area. So if you see a lot of shaking, I can't control that. I can only do so much. Whew. It is hot out here though. I will say that. It is very much hot out here. I'm promoting this bra for TikTok, and I'm also promoting the shoes because I don't have no walking shoes or no shoes to just, do skits and stuff in. So that's what we promoting today. But I am on my walk, and oh child. However, I felt like it would feel good to go for a walk anyways. So that is what I'm doing. And there's nothing wrong with getting in shape. Don't ever let nobody tell you there's nothing wrong with doing it the natural way. Not everybody's okay with being cut on, because I'm one of them. Baby, I don't want to do nothing that's going to be... I got this wrap on, so my breath is shorter than normal. I don't want to do anything that's going to hurt. That's how I feel. I don't want to do nothing that's going to hurt. Damn, I took a shortcut to the gate. I'm already at the gate. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Now, the real question is, I walked to this gate, and I'm not skinny. So let's pray I can slide through, which I feel like I can. But it's this little metal part I'm not sure about. This part right here, which I'm probably can slide through, but I'm gonna have to duck and slide through. That don't make life easier at all, but okay. Okay, we through. Cause what? Baby, that seemed like a whole lot. But okay, we through the gate. Y'all, I realized a few days ago, I'm not really that big. Like, people be making it seem like your girl is so big. I'm not that big. I just squeezed through that tiny ass hole. I'm more surprised I can get through it, but I got through it. So now I'm starting to question all these things people have made me believe in myself all these years. Like, people see size same way they see food, okay? You like it, you don't, you don't. But I have to stop letting people make me believe that I'm not pretty or I'm not in the right shape just because I choose to eat. Like, what? Now, because of my health and my diabetes, I am working on it, but I'm really not that big. Low key, I really like my shape for real. I just want to lose my stomach. Your girl be fine. Fine. Whew. I'm hot, y'all, but I'm almost at HEB. Y'all, we made it to HEB. Okay. I made it. Okay, y'all, we at HEB. Now, I really just need one thing from the hair department. Baby, I'm sweating. I definitely feel the sweat building up on me. This HEB, they may not even have a wig band in this bitch. That's what I need. Whew. Whew. I wish I could explain how tired I am. Okay, y'all, so I secured what I needed from HEB, and now I'm about to head back to the house. It's so hot. Good morning. It's so hot out here. It's like, Lord have mercy. But yeah, now I'm heading back to the house, which it really shouldn't take me that long because I kind of got here quick. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll stop by the pool or something and talk. I don't know. I don't even know if our pool is open still. So, we're going to figure this out. But, let me switch cameras. I'll be right back. Baby, it's hot. It is hot out here. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna go home, take a shower, relay my wig, of course, because I have to keep doing that. And then I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna eat some goddamn. I'm gonna make me a yogurt parfait with some strawberries and granola, and then I think I'm gonna eat some oatmeal, maybe. I got some pan sausage. I got eggs. So, we're gonna see. I might make a whole breakfast or I might say fuck that. We're gonna see. But I feel like after I eat this breakfast, I think that's gonna put me to sleep for sure. For sure. I'm proud of myself though for getting up this morning and going for a walk. Because truthfully, this is something that I can start doing more often. Even if I don't walk to the store, I can walk at least around my apartments with my wrap on, because baby, I'm feeling the sweat. That's all that matters. But y'all, today is Tuesday. Me and Bae kind of ate hearty Sunday and yesterday. Bae made some food that was buzzing. But y'all probably already know that if y'all watched the video. So, trying to figure out what we're gonna eat today. A part of me was thinking maybe Chipotle bowls. Then a part of me was thinking, oh child, I'm tired. We ate loaded salads the other day, like last week. So I really don't know what I want to eat yet. But I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I'm finna try to shimmy through this hole again. Because baby, what? Oh, it's a car coming. I ain't got to. Look at God. Because I don't feel like shimmying. Not right now. So go ahead and let this open so I can walk through. Look at God. Because God knows I ain't feel like shimmying. But, so y'all, I am so tired already. But I did my walk. I was gonna walk to the front of my apartment, but that's over there. Over there. And I don't feel like walking over there because I'm not too far from my actual apartment. So look, this is a starting point. I'm happy I got up today and I did it. Baby, I can tell you now, this has been a process. Cause what? I can't believe I did it. Cause but I'm gonna let y'all know when I get in the house. Okay, y'all. You know how when you get close to your house and you gotta pee, you start feeling like you can pee on yourself? Now that I'm close to the house and I'm walking, seems like my body's shutting down. Cause I just got real tired as I'm getting close to my apartment. But we made it to the store and back. First thing I'm gonna do before I get in the shower is re-secure my wig. And then I'm gonna take a good shower. And then we're gonna sit down and think about life for a moment. Because baby, I'm tired. Okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm back at the house and I am in full sweat. Okay? I have, hold on, I'm trying to unwrap myself. Let me take off these shoes first. It's like when you hot, you don't know what to come out of first. You be trying to come out of all of it at one time. That's how I feel. I need all of this off me now. Okay? Off my body. Right now. I know I'm sweating because I can feel it. Oh, yeah, okay. Look, sweat do your body good. Okay? I got a sauna suit. Should have put that on, but I ain't feel like going through all that. Now, before I get in the shower, I am about to lay my wig back down because y'all don't understand. It ain't really coming up for real, but just in case. We about to stop it in its tracks, baby. So, I'll be right back. Let's take a moment to appreciate how good I'm doing because all my other wigs, y'all, I've never had a wig last this long. It still look good. So we finna just spray a little melt stuff, melt it back down. And they didn't have wig bands at HEB, which I figured, but they did have these little bands, which I'm finna cut them in half, tie them together, use it to tie my hair down. So, I'll be back. Y'all, so I made my oatmeal. Got some apple and cinnamon oatmeal, because that's the best kind. And I got my little, we're not gonna talk about it, but I got my pan sausage in the air fryer. And I'm watching this Nigerian Bad Babes, Niger Bad Babes. So after I eat, y'all, I'm probably finna pass out, okay? Pass out. They told me to be up when she get here. Good thing she don't get here till about 6. So I got some time. This oatmeal finna be good though, okay? Y'all, she trying to be like me today.
My leg hurt.
Mine hurt all the time. Now you see.
And my shit swollen like a golf ball.
Your leg?
Yeah. Like yesterday.
That's my whole text in my bed.
Yourself?
Y'all, now we got fans running into us while we in these carts looking like idiots. That's so interesting. Okay, y'all, now look, I did fall asleep. I said I was gonna fall asleep and I fell asleep. So now I'm up and I am about to cook, okay? So I am making some chicken tacos. So excited because my chicken tacos bust, okay? And I'm making some elote on the cob. Now, they don't really, I don't know, do you want a whole one or do you want like a half? Like you want me to? Oh, so you like it now. So do you want? So do you want one for work too?
No.
So you just want one for tonight?
One for tonight.
Okay, I was trying to make sure and see Oh, it's giving. That's what I'm eating tomorrow. Roasted corn. We're not gonna talk about it. So y'all, I got everything you need for the elote. So for the elote, you need the corn, some crema, which is Mexican sour cream. You need mayo. You need Mexican cheese, which y'all, I could not pronounce this cheese. I was on the phone with my best friend who half Mexican. Telling my girl, I need some Kojia. She was like, you're being racist. I'm being so fucking serious. So, we got the queso Kojia cheese, okay? And then we got some chili powder. Look, I'm telling you, my best friend don't speak Spanish, but my best friend mama is full Spanish. Like, that lady Mexican, okay? But this is everything you need for elote, okay? And then I got our chicken breast, which I ain't gonna lie, when I make my chicken tacos, I like shredded chicken tacos. I feel like it's easier and it's better if you just boil it. So that's what we finna do. I told y'all, we got a friend at the place. He be hooking us up because I told this man I only needed 3 chicken breasts. He gave me 4, but the biggest 4 he could find. But that's fine, because baby need lunch tomorrow. I'm going to be eating this tomorrow. So, okay, y'all. So, let me rinse my chicken, get my pot. I'll be right back.
What's up, KP Nation? It's your girl, Big V. And we back with another, I'm not going to say vlog, but it's a prank. For real, for real. So today, babe been on her little health journey. So she went for a walk this morning. She been eating light today, and she's actually out there making dinner. And I was gonna come in and try to whip up some stuff for her and see what healthy stuff we could eat. But she already beat me to it. So now what I'm going to do, because I saw this prank today, and it's a good thing that she's already cooking. What I was going to do was basically sneeze on all the food. Just keep sneezing everywhere, like in the kitchen, on her plate, on the food, like just sneezing the whole time. So of course she's gonna be dramatic, and we are cooking something healthy today, which is chicken tacos. And it's just healthy in general. It's good protein for you, and it's not too heavy, because babe can't be really eating that heavy stuff, and I don't need to be eating that heavy stuff neither, because your girl is getting fat. I know y'all keep saying that, but I don't give a damn. I need to stop. I know. What I wanted to kill myself. Like, what? But anywho, she already started, so we about to get this little prank going, y'all. Be back.
Okay, y'all. So, I got everything I'm going to use to season my chicken. I got me a little chicken cube because we do not want to boil this chicken in plain water. So, I got that. I got my taco seasoning, salt and pepper, Tony Saturates, and babe, do we have Sazon? Some little bit more of those orange packs. So, we're going to go ahead. Now, I am going to season the chicken, although we are putting it in the water. But like I said, the water's going to be seasoned. And then I'm going to, of course, add some seasoning to the water, too. Yeah, just need one. And then I'm going to put a little Sazon on it. This is going to give it that extra flavor, okay? So, and so you can put some water in that pot. So, I like boiling my chicken for my chicken tacos because I feel like it just hit different for real, truthfully. So, hold on. Okay, y'all, having technical difficulties. I like boiling my chicken because I feel like a shredded chicken taco always hit better. So, yeah, that's just my preference for real. I just feel like that's better. We got the chicken on this thing because, look, y'all work smarter, not harder. I be trying not to use. Okay, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see it. Yeah. And then we got the Tony Saturates, which it doesn't matter because I am going to add some more to the water. And, of course, we're going to season the chicken. But I want to make sure that it's strong. Bro, can you... Babe.
Dang, all that seasoning.
Babe.
Huh. That's enough water?
Yeah, that's enough. Put it over there. Cut it on. Get away. If you gonna be sneezing in the kitchen, get away. Cause what?
Help.
Yeah, I get that, but help by keeping that in. Back.
Oh, excuse me.
Valencia.
Oh,
You know that's nasty.
I covered my nose.
Yeah, but I still smell. I still felt the sneeze breathness on my.
It didn't come on my nose. It came on my mouth.
I don't care. It still got on me. I love you, but I don't want your certain stuff. I don't want on you.
On you?
On me. I can't even get it out. Y'all, I pour half the Saison in the water. The other half is going on the chicken, and then literally the taco seasoning. I like to put it on the chicken because I mean.
Oh shit.
Bag.
I need it.
That is nasty. Like, dang. And then on top of that, you know this is going on my YouTube. These people gonna think that we freaking nasty. You know, you gonna be eating this sneezed in shit. I'm not gonna be eating that. Anyways, y'all, so now you gonna massage that in your chicken breast real good. And this how your chicken breast should look. And then you just gonna drop that in the water. Now I am gonna add some more of this seasoning to my water. Taco seasoning, because I am making tacos, you want it to have that taco flavor. And then I like to put picante in it and all that stuff when it's done so it can have that good flavor. So
What? I didn't do nothing.
don't come over here playing because
I didn't even do nothing.
you sitting here being real nasty.
I didn't even do anything.
You being real nasty. Okay, let me put my chicken in the water. Yeah, that's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good.
You dripping shit. Did you need this napkin?
It's gonna be real good. Okay, so we got our chicken. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. Whew. Okay, so we got our chicken in the water, okay?
Not season it.
Yeah, go ahead. That's good. And then we're gonna put a little bit more taco seasoning in there just to make sure that Babe! Are you serious right now? That is nasty. That's nasty. That's enough. Like, you playing. I'm not gonna eat that. I don't want your freaking, I already get enough of your germs. I don't want that. No, I'm not giving you nothing. Anyways, while that boiled, y'all, technically that was all you have to do for the chicken tacos. Once the chicken tacos are done boiling, I will drain the meat out. Valencia, 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 Valencia. Why'd you...
My bad. I just hold my nose together. My bad.
Anyway, Valencia, why you gotta do that in the kitchen? You walking through the kitchen, contaminating everything. How would you like my sneeze on you? Achoo, achoo. Stop. That is nasty. The hell?
You asked me.
Anyways, no. When my chicken is done boiling, I'm going to drain the water off and I'm going to pull up, like, shred the meat, and I'm gonna put the rest of this picante sauce in there because I like it to be wet. And then we got a whole nother thing of picante sauce. But now I want to move on to our roasted corn. Okay, so yeah. So you think our air fryer basket be big enough for two of them to fit? Cause we're only eating two. It's just me and you. Okay, I just need to roast them. Okay, so y'all, Valencia.
Oh, okay, no, for real, I couldn't.
Valencia. Valencia.
No, it came out of nowhere.
No, cause you snotty ass girl. Stop.
It came out of nowhere.
Snotty ass. I don't care where it came from. Snotty ass girl. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna use two of these. Just two. And you can tell these are definitely fresh. It still got the little strings on them. So we're just gonna pull out two because what?
Your girl is tired, y'all.
Then what they gotta do with you sneezing? Put this in the fridge.
Dang.
Snotty ass. Move.
Dang.
She doing too much and she about to irritate me. Cause I'm sitting trying to cook for you.
You doing too much.
Okay, y'all, so we rinsing the corn because in order to roast them, we need to coat them in butter and mayo, then roast them and then repeat. I think that's the best way for us to do this, okay? So, let me get my butter and mayo. Get the spray butter, because it'll be easier. And then give me the open mayo. Okay, so, from what I remember, this is what you do. Okay, so we got our corn right here. Valencia.
Well, I'm just sniffing so I don't sneeze.
Plug the air fryer up. Do something over there. No, because you playing. Why is you playing with me? I don't understand. Okay, so we're just going to butter this, toss it. Toss it, butter. Butter it, butter it.
Butter it, toss it. Toss it, butter it. Butter it, toss it. Toss it,
okay.
Toss it, toss it.
It's like this butter ain't smelled like butter this whole time, but now that I'm putting it on corn. But I'm saying now that I'm putting it on corn, it smells like butter. Give me a spoon.
You acting like I really don't mind.
You getting on my nerves, is what you're doing.
That's what I do best.
So y'all, you take your mayo and you rub it on the corn. And you just gonna rub it in. Make sure it's good, coated and smooth.
Slip it, wrap it, smack it, yap it.
It's already smelling like elote. That's crazy, because I'm really not a mayo person. I'm really not. But there's something about this corn.
Corn.
Corn. Actually, so corny. Okay, so we got this fully coated. So now, y'all, what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the air fryer. We're going to air fry them a little bit. Let them get roasted, and then when we get ready to eat them, I'm gonna heat them up again and then coat them with all the stuff. So, can I get the air fryer, please? Just irritating. Come in here, want to do all them sneezing and shit. Not playing. Valencia.
What?
Oh, this shit perfect.
Right.
Okay, so we got our corn in the air. Valencia! That's nasty!
Why do you keep saying my name like
Because
that?
why you keep sneezing in the kitchen? Put that in there. Oh, if you sneeze on it. Valencia. Valencia.
Oh, please.
Valencia.
Put it on roast?
You, put it on. Shit.
How long?
It don't matter. Just put it on. Anyways, y'all, because as y'all can see, I'm getting slightly annoyed because at this point, like, why are you doing this? No, I'm not doing that because you full of snot.
I'm trying to get it
No,
out.
okay, well, don't get it out in here. Get it out over there. Over there. I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, so look at our corn. Oh. Oh, and Bae never had elote like this. I told her I think she'll fall in love with it like this. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I wanted to roast a little bit more though, a little bit. Yeah, and then look, the chicken is boiling. So look, we about to check and see if it's puller portable yet. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so the chicken is done. So I am about to drain the juice off of it and try to shred it, and then we're gonna finish our corn. Give me a second, I'll be right back.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential, rolling, RM, way. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL checker. Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is.
Y'all, let's get into it. My Lota.
Lota.
Babe, tell me I don't look good.
You look good.
I'm about to go ahead and... Babe, for real. Seriously.
I'm sorry.
Seriously. Just step over until I finish taking a bite. Because I ain't got time. I did my big one. Yeah. Yeah.
Turn.
If you sneeze on this bowl,
No, I'm not.
take your corn.
No, it's going to make a mess.
Can't tell me it don't taste like the truck. It tastes like what I be paying for. Give me my food! We'll be back. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm low-key hungry right now. So I'm about to at least make me one taco just to sit down and get comfortable. I mean, they find what we can watch tonight and make it do what it do. Cause baby, the way this smell, I just know it's gonna be busting. I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm so hungry right now, it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna make me a quick one because baby, I definitely really, I wanna try it and I wanna try it in taco form. But I like to, you know, I gotta get my mind right. You know, we're very 420 friendly, okay? So I gotta get my mind right and then I'll be able to enjoy. But right now, I just need to put something on my stomach because I really feel like I ain't ate in hours. Because after that nap I took, your girl woke up, food gone. Food done left my stomach. What? Food gone. So, okay. Right now, I'm just doing the basics. Got some lettuce, a little cheese, a little sour cream, some picante. Y'all, we even got Taco Bell sauce because what? Sometimes it just really we just get busy. Sometimes we just gotta really go to town in here.
Dang, that's that thing a real nice.
I know, and it's about to bust. Y'all, so look at my taco. It's about to be so good. I just know it. Hold on, I gotta take me a little. Let me sample it. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, sorry. You figure out what we're watching back?
Oh, shit. I was gonna watch your show.
The rest of the Tubi show?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't tell me this don't look good.
Oh, can you wait?
Babe, I literally felt that. Like, you literally just got...
No, I didn't. It didn't come out. Nothing came out.
Bro, you just got germs in my... Bro, you waited till I sat down to do that.
Can I take a break?
Like, you've been doing that the whole time, and I've been trying to do everything I can, and you literally just sneezed in my taco. Valencia.
I did not sneeze in the taco.
Yes, you did. I felt the little sneeze driplets.
No, it's not. It was on me versus you.
That's not, like, why are you playing with me? Like, why would you do that? You just sat here and watched me dress my whole taco. Like, I don't know if I damn near feel like I'm finna cry. I'm upset. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? No, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, you did.
I don't sneeze on demand. I can't control my sneezing. It was an accident. I think it's the allergies and then all them seasonings and stuff.
You better not, bro. I don't even want it no more because you sneezed in it.
Man. I didn't get nothing on it.
Yes, I felt it hit my arm. So therefore, I don't know what's in there. You seen the Bernie Mac episode? One sneeze, whole house infected.
Not really.
Bro, you can have it. I don't even want it. No, leave me alone.
Have it.
No, no. Because why would you do that?
Still bad.
And the thing is, if you even wanted to try to eat it, bro, you just sneezed in it. Like,
No, I didn't.
I dead ass felt the sneeze. No. Bro, like, I'm scared to eat this now. But I really want it because do not play with me.
I went back up.
Do not play with me.
It went back up. Dang. Just bite it. Little sneeze ain't gonna hurt you. It's just water. Still tastes the same, don't it?
Yeah. I can't taste the germs.
I don't have no germs. Don't be extra.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Don't be extra.
So good, though.
Oh, let me get a bite. It's my job.
No, Sneezy McSeason, can't you not get nothing from me?
You sneezing me what?
No.
What?
No.
Bad.
No.
Bad.
I really like that bite. Now it's like mentally, that one bite just really like I can't. No, you're not touching my taco. I feel like you're doing this on purpose so you can have it. No. Bro, like you got me scared to eat the rest of my taco now. And it's really like
I didn't get nothing on you, see I sneezed over here. Nothing came your way.
take the taco. Take it. Cause why would you even do that? Like I'm sitting there trying to eat my freaking food. Eat it.
Really, Brad?
Eat it.
Really, Brad?
You want it so bad. I'm about to make me another one. Eat it.
Brad.
Eat it. I'm upset. Just eat the taco and don't talk to me.
Brad.
Eat the taco and don't talk to me.
Can you help me?
No, eat the taco and don't talk to me. I've been sitting here talking about chicken tacos all day. I've been talking about chicken tacos all day. And this is what you choose to do. And I've been talking about this all day. I didn't even have one taco. Good night, Valencia. Good night. I'm over it. Don't even talk to me.